Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of exercise 5.1. Moving to exercise 5.1, question number 4, I think. So, question number 4, okay, sorry my dear. This is actually question number 4. What is the question? Find the equation of circle with the center given 2, 3 and passing through the intersection. So, intersection means you have to apply elimination method. If you apply the elimination method, you will get it P of 1 point, because center already we know. What is the center actually? 2, 3. Solution. Center is given. Center it's called H, K, means we have 2, 3. Then intersection point means the first equation 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Second equation, this is considered for equation number 1. Then second equation. So now second equation. What is the second equation? 4x plus y minus 27 is equal to 0. So definitely, just any one coefficient you have to show equal, then only we can cancel it, isn't it? So what we have to do, equation number 1 as it is. What is equation number 1? So 3x minus 2y, minus 1 bring out opposite side means a positive 1. So equation 2 we have to multiply into 2. What will happen? 2 into 4 means 8x. Again 2 into y means 2y is equal to minus 27 into 2 means minus 54. Minus 54 bring out opposite side means a positive 54. Now we can cancel it. Minus 2y plus 2y. So 8x plus 3x is equal to 11x is equal to 54 plus 1 is equal to 55. Therefore x is equal to 55 divided by 11 means x is equal to 5. So after getting the x value, just you have to apply, put in any one equation. So put x is equal to 5 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 3x. 3x means x value we have 5. So 3 into 5. Then minus 2y is equal to 1 means 3 into 5 means 15 minus 2y is equal to 1. Therefore, minus 2y is equal to 1 minus 15. Therefore, minus 2y is equal to minus 14. Minus minus cancel. Therefore, y is equal to 14 divided by 2 means we can write it y is equal to 7. So now this is what is the point actually? P. So therefore, center already we know. C, what is the point? C we have 2, 3. Now getting the P means point of intersection. What is the point? X value 5, y value 7. So 5, 7. Now we have to apply the CP. CP means we will get the result A. That is called radius, isn't it? Therefore, CP is equal to distance formula square root of. This is considered for x1 and x2. This is considered for y1. Sorry, this is x1, y1. This is considered for x2 and y2 means x2 minus x1. Therefore, 5 minus 2 the whole square. Then plus 7 minus 4 the whole square. So, what is the result? 7 minus 3, my dear. This is actually 3, okay? Therefore, CP is equal to square root of 5 minus 2 means 3 square. 7 minus 3 means 4 square. Therefore, 3 square means value will be 9. 4 square means 16. So, 16 plus 9. So, therefore, CP is equal to CP is equal to 16 plus 9 square root of 25. So we can write now, if you remove the bracket means CP is equal to 5. Now what we need? Find the equation of circle. What is the formula? General equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx, or the general equation of circle x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square. After applying the formula, you will get the result x square plus y square term. Look at there. So CP is equal to 5. Therefore again center h comma k, what is the value? Given condition 2 comma 3. Now a value means radius, actually 5. Therefore equation of circle equation of circle, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to a square. So h is equal to what is the value? True. So x minus true the whole square and y minus 3 the whole square is equal to 5 square. Now a minus b the whole square form a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 25. Look at there, starting with x square, then y square, then coefficient of x minus 4x, then coefficient of y minus 6y, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 plus 25, bring out opposite side means minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, final answer x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 25 means minus 12 is equal to 0. This is answer for question number 4. Okay, I will continue the next question. Question number 5 from exercise 5.1. Question, obtain the equation of circle for which given 2 points. First one 3, 4, second one 2, minus 7. So we have to, both the points are the ends of a diameter. So solution, first condition we have to consider for x1, y1 is equal to point 3, 4. Second one x2, y2, that is 2, minus 7. What is the formula? Or the ends of diameter means formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. First condition, x minus x1 is equal to 3. Then x minus x2 is equal to 2 plus y1 is equal to value will be 4. So y minus 4 into y minus y2 is equal to already y2 value minus, so we can write it positive 7 is equal to 0. Just multiply x into x, x square minus 2 into x, minus 2x minus 3 into x, minus 3x minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. So next condition y into y, y square plus 7 into y plus 7y minus 4 into y minus 4y plus into minus minus 7 4s are 28 is equal to 0. So order wise x square plus y square, then coefficient of x minus 2x minus 3x means minus 5x plus 7y minus 4y means plus 3y, then constant plus 6 minus 28. So we can write now minus 22 is equal to 0. This is answer for question number 5. I will continue the next question. Question number 6, isn't it? Question, find the equation of circle through the points. 3 points is there. First one 1, 0, second minus 1, 0, third one 0, 1. So what will happen? Solution. So equation of circle, what is the formula? Equation of circle means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is considered for equation number 1. The first condition at 1, 0. Instead of x we can apply 1. Instead of y we can apply, instead of x 1, instead of y apply for 0. What will happen? X square means we can write it 1 square plus y square means value will be 0. So 2g into 1 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. So 1 square means 1 plus 2 into 1 means 2g, 2 into 0 anything means value will be 0 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, first condition 2g plus c is equal to plus 1, bring out opposite sign means minus 1. This is considered for equation number 2. Next term at minus 1, 0. So minus 1, 0 means what will happen? Minus 1 instead of x we can apply minus 1, y take it for 0. Therefore, we can write it minus 1 the whole square. So, y square means 0 square, value will be 0 plus 2g into minus 1 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. Now, minus 1 the whole square means 1, plus into minus means minus 2g, 2 into 0 means value will be 0 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2g plus c is equal to plus 1, bring it opposite side means minus 1. This is considered for equation number 3. So, now next condition at 0 comma 1, at 0 comma 1 instead of x we can apply 0, y means value will be 1. So, what will happen? 0 x square, 0 square means value will be 0, then 1 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into positive 1 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, 2f plus c is equal to minus 1. This is considered for equation number 4. Now, equation 2 minus equation 3 means what will happen? Equation 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2, 2g plus c is equal to minus 1. Equation 3, so minus 2g plus c is equal to minus 1, isn't it? So, minus 1 means otherwise equation 2, this is actually plus 2 minus 2 is cancel, isn't it? This is actually directly we can write no plus, because both side plus 2g minus 2g add also plus and minus will be cancelled means c only will come in. Therefore, c plus c is equal to 2c is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 means minus 2. Therefore, c is equal to minus 2 divided by positive, isn't it? So, positive 2 means definitely c is equal to value will be minus 1. After getting the c value, put in equation number first 2, just equating, put c is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. What is equation number 2? 2g minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 will be cancelled means 2g is equal to 0 means definitely g is equal to 0. Next condition, put c in equation number 4. Equation number 4 means we will get it f value. Equation number 4, true f, instead of c we can apply minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, again minus 1 cancel. So, true f is equal to 0 means f is equal to 0. So, g is also over, f is also over. Now, just apply in main equation. Main equation, general equation of circle formula, x square plus y square you have the result g is equal to 0, f is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 1. So, formula x square. So, x square plus y square plus true g is equal to value will be 0, just true of 0 into x, then as well as f also value will be 0. So, we can write it true of 0 into y, then c is equal to value will be minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus y square, so 2 into 0 means value will be 0, 2 into 0 also coefficient y also 0, therefore minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, required equation x square plus y square is equal to positive 1. This is called required equation. Good equation. I will continue the next question. Question number 7. A circle of area 9 pi square units has true of its diameter. Diameter means if you have one circle means ending to end of the points. The given condition also diameter along the line. Two equation is this. So, two equation means what we have to do? Elimination method we have to apply. First we have to find out a value. After getting the a value, then what we have to do? Find out the center. Center means to apply elimination method. Solution. The given area is equal to 9 pi. Area of the circle, what is the formula? Pi r square, isn't it? So, pi instead of 4 I can take it for a square. Pi a square is equal to 9 pi means, so pi cancel. Therefore, a square is equal to 9 means a is equal to 3. Okay. After getting the a value, then to apply the elimination to find out the center, isn't it? So, a first equation x plus y is equal to 5, consider for equation number 1. Second equation x minus y is equal to positive 1. This is considered for equation number 2. Equation 1 plus 2 means what will happen? Plus y minus y cancel. X plus x means true x is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So, after getting x value, put x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X plus y. This is considered for equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, 3 plus y is equal to 5. So, y is equal to 5 minus 3. We can write it y is equal to 2. Now, we can say center h comma k means center h comma k value will be x will be 3, y value will be 2. So, a is equal to 3, isn't it? So, we have to apply equation of circle formula x minus h the whole square, then plus y minus k the whole square is equal to a square. Instead of h we can take it 3, instead of k we can take it for 2. What will happen? So, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equal to 3 square. A minus b the whole square form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, we can write it x square minus 6x plus 9, then plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 9. Then order wise x square plus y square, coefficient of x means minus 6x minus 4y. So, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, plus 9 bring it opposite side means minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, final answer x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 13 minus 9 means plus 4 is equal to 0. This is answer for question number 7. I will continue the next question. So, question number 8, if y is equal to 2 root 2 x plus c, this is the line. That line is a tangent for the circle means condition. How to find out this c? If y is equal to mx plus c means tangent for the circle also x square plus y square is equal to a square means condition c square is equal to a square into bracket of 1 plus m square. So, now solution, the given equation of line, equation of line y is equal to 2 root 2 x plus c. This is considered for m means m is equal to what is the value? 2 root 2. So, from this given equation of line m is equal to what is the value? 2 root 2. Next condition, x square plus y square is equal to 16. So, x square plus y square is equal to 16 means that is equal to a square. Therefore, we can write it a square is equal to 16 means a is equal to square root of 16 means 4 will come. So, after getting a and m value, the condition c square means condition c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So, now look at there. So, c square is equal to a square is equal to, we can write it 4 square, then bracket 1 plus m is equal to 2 root 2. We can write it 2 root 2 the whole square. Therefore, c square is equal to 4 square means 16. So, 1 plus 2 square means 4, root 2 the whole square means into 2. Again, c square is equal to 16 into 1 plus 4 into 2 means 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, c is equal to square root of 16 into 9 means we can write it c is equal to 4 into 3. Therefore, value will be c is equal to 12. This is answer for question number 8. Okay, I will continue the next question. So, question number 9 from exercise 5.1, find the equation of tangent and normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0 at point true comma true. Solution. So general equation of circle, x square plus y square plus true gx plus true fy plus c is equal to 0. So given point, given equation, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, true g is equal to minus 6, then true f is equal to positive 6. Therefore, g is equal to minus 6 by 2 means minus 3. Then f is equal to 6 by 2 means positive 3. Then constant c is equal to minus 8. So what we have to do? First normal term, find equation of tangent. So equation of tangent formula x(x1) plus y(y1) plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, point, given point true comma true. So true comma true. This is considered for x1 and y1. So x into x1 value true plus y into y1 value true plus g value minus 3. Minus 3 into x plus x1. Therefore, we can write it x plus true. The next condition plus f is equal to positive 3 into y plus true. C is equal to minus 8 is equal to 0. So true x plus true y minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into true minus 6 plus 3 into y 3y plus 6 minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, true x plus true y then minus 3x, otherwise we can simplify now. So true x minus 3x means minus x plus true y plus 3y plus 5y, then constant minus 6 we can cancel now, positive 6, therefore minus 8 is equal to 0. So therefore equation of tangent starting with the negative sign means we can write it x minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is term for equation of tangent. Moving to equation of normal. So equation of normal means main condition, just you have to interchange. Interchange means coefficient of x we can write it 5x and y. In between negative sign means we can write it positive. Then plus k is equal to 0. At what is the point? Given point true comma true. So x is equal to true, y also true. Therefore 5 into true plus again y also we have the true plus k is equal to 0. So 5 into 2 means 10 plus true plus k is equal to 0. Therefore 10 plus true means 12 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to minus 12. After getting the k value, equating equation of normal. What is the term? 5x plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is term for equation of normal. Okay, I will continue the next question. Question number 10. Determine whether the points minus 2, 1, 0, 0 and minus 4, minus 3 lie outside or on or inside the circle. One of the given circle is there. Already we have discussed in, I think, theorem 5.2. So greater than 0 means what will happen? Outside the circle. If you have the result greater than 0, equal to 0 means we can say on the circle. So less than 0 means inside the circle. It's an important condition. What is the given value? Solution. First one, x square plus y square minus 5x plus true y minus 5 is equal to 0. At a point first one, minus true 1. What will happen? So minus true the whole square plus 1 square minus 5 into minus true plus true into positive 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 2 the whole square means 4 plus 1 minus into minus plus 10, again plus 2 into 1 means true minus 5 is equal to 0. Look at there, So 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. So 17 minus 5 is equal to, so 12. We can say greater than 0. Therefore, we can say minus 2 comma 1 lies on outside the circle. Second condition, 0 comma 0. So 0 comma 0 means simply we can say at 0 comma 0 means definitely points x square plus y square minus 5x plus true y minus 5 is equal to value only minus 5 will come, isn't it? Instead of x0, y0 means is equal to minus 5, simply we can say less than 0. Therefore, we can say minus 2 comma 1 lies on inside the circle. Third one, minus 4 comma minus 3. So minus 4 comma minus 3 means the condition x square plus y square minus 5x plus true y minus 5 is equal to 0. What will happen? Minus 4 the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square, again minus 5 into minus 4 plus true into minus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 4 the whole square means positive 16 plus minus 3 the whole square means positive 9, again minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20, again plus into minus minus true into 3 6, next minus 5 is equal to 0. Look at there, 16 plus 20 is equal to 36, 36 plus 9 is equal to 45, 45 minus 11 is equal to 34 will come. So 34 means simply we can say greater than 0. Therefore, last condition minus 4 comma minus 3 lies on outside the circle. So 3 condition is also over. I will continue question number 11. Okay. Moving to question number 11, find center and radius of the following circles given 4 subdivision. So one by one we can discuss. Subdivision 1, given x square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 0 square. Just expand it, x minus 0 the whole square and y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 0 square. So just to compare with x minus h the whole square and y minus k the whole square is equal to a square. Therefore, h value consider for 0, no? Therefore, h is equal to value will be 0. Minus k is equal to positive 2. Therefore, we can write it k is equal to minus 2. A value also will be 0. Therefore, we can write it center is equal to center h comma k means 0 comma minus 2. Then radius a value will be 0. This is subdivision 1. So moving to subdivision 2, x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. Compare with x square plus y square plus true gx then plus true fy plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of x comparing means true g is equal to 6 means g is equal to positive 3. Then true f is equal to minus 4 means f is equal to minus 2. Then constant c is equal to positive 4. So what will happen? Center means minus g comma minus f. Therefore, minus g comma minus f means minus 3 comma positive 2. Then radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Therefore, square root of g square means minus 3 the whole square, then plus 2 square and positive 4. So, negative 4, no, because minus c, negative 4. Again, square root of minus 3 the whole square means 9, 2 square means 4, negative 4, plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Therefore, radius. So, square root of 9 means r is equal to 3. Subdivision true also. I will continue next subdivision. Subdivision third and fourth. Third one, Solution given x square plus y square minus x plus true y minus 3 is equal to 0. Just to compare with x square plus y square plus true gx plus true fy plus c is equal to 0. So true g is equal to minus 1 means g is equal to minus 1 by true. Then true f is equal to true means f is equal to 1. Last condition c is equal to minus 3. Now center means minus g comma minus f. So minus g comma minus f means 1 by true comma minus 1 center. Then radius square root of g square plus f square minus c. Therefore g square means 1 by minus 1 by 2, isn't it? So minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Then f square means plus 1 square. C is equal to, already minus is there, here also minus, therefore we can write it positive 3. Then minus 1 by 2 the whole square means 1 by 4 plus 1 square mean 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore square root of 1 plus 4 4s are 16 by 4. Therefore square root of 17 by 4 means radius means square root of 17 by 2. Subdivision 4. Question, true x square then true y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square means more than 1 means what we have to do, just we have to equating divided by true means, look at there, x square plus y square minus 3x plus true y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can very simple, now x square plus y square plus true gx plus true fy plus c is equal to 0. Therefore we can write it true g is equal to minus 3, true f is equal to true and c is equal to positive 1. Therefore g is equal to minus 3 by true, f is equal to 1. The given, what we need, center and radius, isn't it? So center and radius means minus g comma minus f. So minus g comma minus f means already minus sign is there. So we can write it positive 3 by 2 comma and minus 1. Then radius square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now we can apply g square means minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Then f square means 1 square. C already minus but they are positive 1. So we can write it minus 1. Therefore 9 by 4 plus 1 square means 1 will come. So minus 1 will be cancelled. Therefore r is equal to, we can write it 3 by 2. Okay. Moving to the last question from exercise 5.1. Okay. So question, if the equation 3x square plus 3 minus p xy, coefficient xy is there, plus qy square minus 2px is equal to 8pq. So listen there, represent a circle, find first p and q. Also determine the center and radius of the circle. Already we know the circle, one of the main property, first property, solution in circle, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So coefficient of x square is equal to 3, coefficient of y square is equal to q. So we can say now the q value will be 3, first condition. Then definitely if it circle means there is no coefficient xy, but there is coefficient xy is there. So we can consider for 3 minus p is equal to 0. So 3 minus p is equal to 0 means simply we can say p is equal to minus p is equal to minus 3. So minus minus cancel means p also value will be 3. After getting p and q value, just equating, what is the main equation? 3x square then 3 minus p coefficient of xy plus qy square minus 2px is equal to 8pq. This is considered for equation number 1 means substitute p and q in equation number 1. What will happen? Equation number 1. So 3x square plus 3 minus p means simply we can say 3 minus 3 into xy, then plus q is equal to what is the value? 3. So we can write it 3y square minus 2 into p is equal to again 3. So 3 into x is equal to 8 into p also 3, q also 3. So therefore 3x square, then 3y square, 3 minus 3 means 0, 0 into xy means 0, remaining the term minus 2 into 3 means minus 6x is equal to 3 into 3 9, 9 8s are 72. Now plus 72 bring it opposite side means 3x square, then 3y square minus 6x plus 72 bring it opposite side means minus 72. Now we can find out, no, the main term we need actually p and q is over. The last condition, find the center and radius. Center and radius means just equating main equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. Before moving to the circle, coefficient of x square it will be equal, but there is more than 1. What we have to do? Each and every time divided by 3 means x square and y square minus 2x. 72 means 72 divided by 3. 72 divided by 3 means 2 3s are 6, 24, isn't it? Minus 24 is equal to 0. Now equating x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, 2g is equal to minus 2 means g is equal to minus 1. F there is no value, so we can write it directly, f is equal to 0. Constant given minus 24. Therefore, center minus g comma minus f means g is equal to only 1 because minus n. So 1 comma 0 center, and radius means square root of g square plus f square minus a. Again square root of g square means minus 1 the whole square. There is nothing to f value, but c is there. C actually here also minus, there is also minus. So we can write it directly positive 24. So minus 20 whole square means a positive 1, 24. Therefore 24 plus 1 is equal to 25 means r is equal to 5. Therefore radius 5, center 1 comma 0. This is final answer for question number 12. So please listen, my dear students. Exercise 5.1, each and every questions I have done. So if you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.